G'day everyone, welcome back to Excellent Fishing. Today I'm just down at one of my local spots, going to be chasing snapper again. The snapper fishing lately has been pretty crazy, so I thought I might give it another go. I've got some pilchards and I've got 7-inch turtleback worms. See if we can get a few.
Here. Next cast I'll put one there. Ooh. Yep. Come on. Doesn't feel too big. Just a pinky. Just a little one to start with. He took a full pilly. But he hit it hard. You see the rod bending. Well, still coming light, but he's probably nearly 40. Yep, it's gonna go. Ah, could have been a flatty. No, just wanted to scream. Don't muck around with it, Drew. Just take off. Yep. Can't tell yet. Yeah, it feels all, yeah. The drag makes the fish sound better. He might be a 50 if I'm lucky. Yeah, he's about a 50. Have you got a cooler? Yeah, can I borrow your cooler? Just one. I'll leave it here for a bit and then... My mate asked me for one like the last 3 times. I keep forgetting. Oh, I keep putting them back, but... He's a good one. Drifted back over the same spot and he took a full pilchard. Oh, he's hooked perfectly right in the corner. He wasn't getting off. He's all right. Strong guy. Grunting his teeth. Yeah. Changed its mind again, has it? Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah. Settle down. Yeah. Oh, it feels all right. Better chase this one down.
Turtleback camo. Yeah, 7.
Oi. Same as the other, oh, a bit bigger maybe. Fucking got my rod on the wrong side to land him, but I can't land him on that side. I'm not used to landing him on that side. Ooh, bigger. I was just about to say to you, I just need to get one on the retrieve, because usually the dead stick. Look at that. That one's bigger, I reckon. Oh, I might keep 2. I never keep any, so hardly. Look at that one. That one's bigger on the 7-inch turtle back. Let's see how he's hooked. Oh, he's not a happy camper. Hey, you got a worm for your troubles. He's hooked pretty good. Yeah, that's good hook up. He's pretty good. He's pretty good. Say in the 60s, maybe, yeah. Pretty good one on the plastic. Ooh. That nearly pulled it out the rod holder. You stay in here. Well, fuck, there's some weight on here, bro. I'm recording. Well, this will be my bag, won't it? If I land him.
What are you using this morning? Turtleback?
Yeah, but this one's on, 2 of them have been on bait. This one's only like 40 something. But he fucked, see how he hit it? Yeah. Nearly pulled my rod in the water. Oh, he might be 45. Yeah, he's about 40 something. You can have 3 over 40, yeah? Well, that's my bag. Nice knowing yous, I'm going.
You are an asshole.
There we go, Steve's got his bag.
We're not friends anymore.
Oh, but I was your friend when you were catching and I wasn't. Oh, he swallowed the hook. Yeah, he's a good 40 something. He fought harder than the first one, and he wasn't as big.
More hungry.
Yeah. First it was just weight, and then he took off. Anyone got any pilchards I can borrow? I'll pay you back with fish. Yep. Feels all right. A little bit of weight. He's all right. Seven-inch turtleback. He's all right. Have to put him back now. I don't know if I got a bite on this one, huh? Yeah, I'm on this one. Got a tangle, but it's only small. Was that bait? Yeah. Ooh. I told you, give me a ride. But this one's alright, he's in mid-40s. They're going hard, aren't they, for their size? Like, what's that? Snap me? See that? I held him up and he snapped the line. Don't anchor up either, unless you're going to burley hard, yeah, in that spot. Oh. Come on. Just shaking his head crazy. He's not that big. He took like a 7-inch one, but where's my net? Oh, there. Again, don't drop this one, bro. Sounds all right.
Well, that's it for this video. We caught a lot of snapper today, mostly on bait and a few on the soft plastics, the 7-inch turtleback worms. Kept a few for a feed. Well, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time.